Hello my friends, and welcome back to my channel Clean the Day, where it is my hope to leave you motivated and excited to get up and do whatever it is that you need to get done. This channel is all about seizing the moment, and right now when the baby is sleeping or playing quietly, that's exactly what I do. I take those quiet little moments and I empty the dishwasher, start a new load of laundry, do whatever it is that I need to get done. If you've never been here before, my name is Erin. I'm a wife and a mother. I have two little girls, a 7-month-old baby and a 2.5-year-old toddler. And I am constantly learning new things about juggling, agendas, to-do lists, and just trying to find the right way to plan for me. So, as you can see here, I started in the kitchen. It always looks the worst. It doesn't matter how many times a day I clean it. In about 10 minutes, there's always a dirty dish on the counter. Who can relate to that? Let me know in the comments. This is currently my favorite cleaner for my countertops and for solid surfaces. It's a homemade mixture of rubbing alcohol, water, even parts, and a little bit of Dawn dish soap, and it just breaks up stuck-on messes so much faster than anything else I've ever used, and it's streak-free, and the alcohol kills germs, so that's a win-win. I have to add that COVID really changed my cleaning habits, especially when it comes to disinfecting. I know it's something that we should always be doing, but COVID definitely really changed that for me, and I really upped the game on disinfecting and making sure that every time we clean, we were also killing germs. Can anybody else relate to this? Did COVID completely change how you clean your house? Comment below. I am really excited in this video to bring you a bit of a product review. I am, as you can see, drinking a coffee that I absolutely love, but I will be opening and reviewing and trying out a new coffee maker that I have to tell you about. I'm so excited because I'm still using it now, and I haven't bought a Starbucks coffee in 2 weeks now, 1 week at least. Also, I just cleaned my dining room table with Murphy's all-purpose wood cleaner, and it's awesome. It really rocks. So my littlest one has just been starting to eat some finger foods like teething wheels, a little bit of fruit, but not very much. And this high chair is brand new. I love it so far, but the weird fabric it's made of, I'm kind of afraid to use certain products on it. Any ideas or recommendations, let me know and I will give them a try. I really love this little broom and dustpan combo. I used it in my first video. Don't remember if it was in the last, but I found it at TJ Maxx. So I'm really not sure where to find it. I'll try to do some research, but I love it. It's so handy. I use it everywhere around the house. And you probably saw me pick up a little blue toddler chair. That's because my 2-year-old brings it out and uses it to get up onto the shelves to find her snacks. Picking up shoes is not a talent that anybody in my family, myself included, have inherited, so that is a daily task to pick the shoes up and put them away. This was such a great cleaning day. The baby was just so happy and so content on this day. I could put her down in her little chair there and she just played and laughed and giggled, and she's starting to crawl a little bit, mostly backwards, but hopefully she'll figure out how to go forward soon. And she just gave me so much time on this day. It doesn't happen very often, but there she is looking up at the camera. Too cute. Just a little bit of an update on our fall decorations. We actually still haven't brought down anything that's up in our crawl space, so there's still a ton of stuff that I'm missing, but that's okay. You know, it's not even technically fall yet, so that's all right. So this is the Ninja Specialty Coffee Maker. It makes 2 different cup sizes. It makes a large size for tumbler, and you're supposed to be able to brew over ice, which I have not done yet. Opening it up was very satisfying. It basically came as one piece, which was fantastic. I didn't have to worry about putting anything together or worrying about pieces being missing. It was one big piece, and it came right out of the box. I had no issues with it. So like I said, the unit came complete. The only thing I had to open up was the actual pot itself, and it came with a scoop, and it also came with the attachment to make foamy milk. Honestly, I cannot think of what to call it right now. First impressions. It looks really nice. Let me make sure you can see this here. Okay. This looks fantastic. This is the Ninja Specialty Coffee Maker. It's supposed to be able to brew a pot, but also just a cup. Let me see if you can see that. See that right there? So you can brew just a cup. And it has really cool options here. So travel size, multi-serve, 1 large cup, 1 regular cup, a full pot, a half pot, classic rich over ice. My absolute favorite. I love iced coffee. I love, love, love iced coffee. So, and then this is specialty concentrated. I actually have no idea what that means right there, but I'm gonna find out soon. And then on the side, it took me a minute to get it off, but there is a little scoop, and I really, really like it because it actually shows how many of these for a pot, how many for just one cup, because I'm the only person here that drinks coffee. So more often than not, I'm going to be making 1 cup for me. So I can't wait to play with this. I will try to film my first time using it in the morning. So pretty excited. This is awesome. It was on sale, by the way, at Best Buy. It was originally $169 and I got it today for $139, and I did the curbside pickup. I ordered, it said it'd be ready in an hour, and in less than 10 minutes after I hit, you know, complete or confirm order, less than 10 minutes, it already said it was ready to pick up, and I probably waited 10 minutes in the parking lot at the store. So super convenient if you have a Best Buy close to you. We use them a lot. Other than Amazon, Best Buy is pretty awesome, and the deal was really good, so I can't wait to use this.
I did not wait until morning to brew my first cup of coffee, and I would also add that this unit was very user-friendly. I didn't have to look at the instructions at all, not one time. So if you already use a coffee maker and you know how to use it, then you will know how to use this maker. The milk frother on this does not also steam heat the milk, so I had to warm that up separately, but it was still very, very user-friendly.
Look at that. Yeah. That looks amazing. This machine so far is amazing. So I have a nice, delicious cup of coffee with frothy, foamy, caramely milk. And it's perfect because, well, let me show you what's happening here really quick. Just really quick. I'm not very good at looking at the right part on the camera. I'm sorry, I'm looking at myself. That's terrible. Can you see that? It is pouring. Pouring. Perfect. Perfect afternoon for this delicious coffee. I'm very happy with my purchase.
This is the next day, and this is my 2-year-old bedroom. It was trashed. Perfect opportunity for me to get in there and get it cleaned up, and it will only take about an hour and it will be all a mess again, but that is just what it's like to have a 2-year-old. So we have finally on order a big girl bed coming for my daughter. Her name is Mercy. She's 2, and she's been sleeping on this mattress on the floor since we moved her out of a crib, which was the best decision that we ever made. Honestly, this has been a perfect way to help her learn a big girl bed, but she will very soon be getting a really awesome bed. It's a big twin over twin bunk bed with these cute cubbyhole stairs, and that will absolutely be in one of the next videos. I cannot wait for it to come and to put it together. I filmed this on a Sunday afternoon, and the girls were sleeping and Daddy was watching his football game, and I seized the opportunity and I grabbed the camera and I just decided to get to work, and it just felt really good to clean. The house was quiet and I feel like I got a lot done even if I wasn't able to get as much done. I didn't get vacuuming done. I really didn't get the floors very well done, but I got everything picked up. I got the trash taken out. It just felt really good to get these little tasks done. So vinegar and baking soda is supposed to be a really great cleaning combination, and it works on some stains. I've used it on fabric and it's worked great. I decided to give it a shot in the bathroom here, and I just sprinkled in the baking soda there, and then I poured the vinegar right over it, kind of let it fizzle, and I grabbed my handy dandy cleaning broom and I went to town on it. It worked really great, and I feel like it cleaned the tub really well, and it didn't kill my back, which was fantastic. If you're still here with me, drop me a smiley face emoji. Let me know that you're still watching this video, because I think you're pretty awesome if you are. I hope that this video makes you feel motivated and ready to seize your day, or seize whatever little opportunity that you find. If you're a busy mom, if you work and come home and have to do dinner, I just want you to feel inspired to get up and do what you gotta do. But I'm going to leave this video here with cleaning our little bathroom. And please subscribe, hit the like, hit the bell for notifications, and I will see you next week.